So in our last video, we set up an ETS table. Yeah, we did an ETS table. So today I wanted to start on a controller. Then I had to yeah, I have to remember that the last video I said I wanted to use a Phoenix Live View. So we did a Phoenix Live View setup where we have it. So in order to use a Phoenix Live View, you have to use mixphs.new when creating your project. Then to use live view in that project, because immediately that project access to use a live view. But in order to use a live view, you need a live folder. So if you come to our folder structure, you see that we have a live folder. Then we have this URL Shortener.live. So this place is where our code is going to be. So we have an index and index.html. So for now, we just have this URL. So the browser is running. Yeah, if you go over here, you just see ETS Shortener. That's what we named it. So today I'm going to tell us what we're going to learn beforehand while making this project. Today we are not really going to do a lot of coding. It's more of learning, because coming through it I realized I have short knowledge on some things I wanted to explain. So as I said, it's a beginner's project. Why coming through that revelation, I had to say, I have to learn, and why not do a project to tell everybody what to learn? So the next time we meet on this project, we'll just start implementing it. So we're going to learn, the first thing we learn is how to use schema and validation in ETS table. So we want to combine, when we talk about schema, and when you have schema, validation, context file, most of that we talk about it in database. So but now we want to see how to use it in ETS. It's achievable. I believe there's nothing in this world that cannot be done except it's not supposed to be done. So it should be achievable, right? So but then I have not tried it before. Yeah, I've not tried it before. So snooping around today to see how it is, I came about this package that say ETSO. So they say it's an ETS adapter allowing you to use ETSO schemas with ETS database. Yeah, so in this readme file, I'm just putting so many learning stuff that we have used to learn, and I would employ everybody to also go through Elixir school, because there are some things I did not cover. So if you see here, we have elan.ets, and now we are talking about chain set. So you can read on this basic chain set association. We're using map. We're going to be using map. We're going to be using pipe operator. We're going to do some bit of documentation. Yeah, we're going to do a bit of documentation. We're going to touch on error handling. So most of this, we're going from basic, intermediate, advanced testing. Like, it's just going to be the different projects, different things we're going to be touching. So why the project is for beginner here, but it's going to give you a dive of how a Elixir professional does their project. So it's not just beginner, like you're going to be like, I didn't learn anything. So because this project is also going to teach me in a way and also teach you in a way. So let's just go through this and also go through Elixir mentor tutorial on Elixir mentor tutorial on I think he did one on Elixir basis. Yeah, he did on Elixir basis. So this is, you could have been hearing me say Elixir mentor and be like, what's this girl? Who is this Elixir mentor? She keeps dropping in her tutorial. So this is Elixir mentor. He has a YouTube channel, and this is his page. So I will also be dropping the link to his page over here. Is Jacob Lixto. Forgive me, Jacob, if I don't pronounce your surname very well. I'm so sorry. Okay. So while going through it, we could see become a confident developer. So master Elixir through a structured course, free tutorial, experts, and so many things. So some things I don't cover, you can get them over here. As I said, I'm not going to be covering most of the basics. It's just practical way of teaching. So thank you. Till we meet again.